Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I am an unashamed chronic snacker. But if I can have a snack with simple ingredients that I recognize, well, that is all the better. These Simply Really Real gummies definitely fall into that category. These are gummies that I not only feel really good about eating, but they are so delicious. The flavor of these are so genuinely fruity. They come in a couple of different flavor combos. The one that I have been enjoying the most lately has been peach and raspberry, and they taste exactly like their name suggests. They have that amazing chewy texture that if you are a fan of gummies, you are looking for. These definitely do not disappoint me as a true gummy lover. They come in a variety of package sizes, which means for me, they're very portable and they're very shareable. My husband actually loves these gummies. He told me that they are the best gummies that he has ever tasted in his life. On the package, it says that these gummies are what a gummy should taste like. And from my snacking on them for the past few weeks, I have to say that I totally agree with that. But that's just my point of view.